We are at the volière. Here is where we conduct experiments with like our drones or ground vehicles. And we do it here because we have a system of cameras on the OptiTrack that are responsible for aiding us in positioning the robots.
During our research, we proposed some systems, proposed some solutions for diverse application. In our work, we first simulate our experimental tests, and then we come here to test it with the real robots. So here is where we put the robot to move and see how the behavior of the robots running our system. So here is where the magic happens.
Well, the first demo is called like the tossing demo. It's where we throw a drone in any which way that we want, and then the drone is responsible for recovering itself. So we just throw it and it will by itself right itself in the air and then be stable.
The second demo, we use this device we put on our arms, and it takes the signals from the muscle of our arm, and so with the movements we do with our arms, it transmits the information to the drone, so the drone can move, keep in the air. So we use this device for controlling the drone.
The third demo is about a team of drones, 3 drones in this case, carrying a single load using cables. By doing this, we are able to carry heavier loads than a single drone would be able to, and we can position the load in more ways in space than a single drone would also be able to do. We are also capable of changing the configuration of the formation in order to pass through narrow corridors or to avoid obstacles and other tasks.
The last demo, we showed the combination of heterogeneous systems, combining the strengths of both the aerial drone and the ground robot. So in the last demo, the idea was to control, to simulate that the ground robot doesn't have the perception of the environment, and the aerial drones control the ground robots, guide the robot to follow the path based on the aerial images from the aerial drone. So it's the aerial drone guiding and controlling the ground robot to follow a specific path.